You'll get to know how you could turn your salary into real wealth. If you follow all the 9 tips appropriately, you will get rich. So keep watching this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Establish specific financial objectives. Wealth accumulation starts not with financial resources, but with a clear and strategic vision. Establishing specific financial objectives empowers you to manage your financial future with intention and clarity. Without clear objectives, it's simple to become trapped in a routine of merely getting by financially or making choices that provide immediate gratification but lack substantial long-term benefits. Setting financial goals acts as a guiding framework for your journey. These goals can be categorized as short-term, such as saving for a vacation, mid-term, like purchasing a home, or long-term, such as preparing for retirement or financing a child's education. Having clearly defined and quantifiable goals will significantly enhance your outcomes. Let's analyze the financial profile of Jessica Jones, a 30-year-old account manager with an annual income of $60,000. Jessica allocates approximately $40,000 annually and incurs around $14,000 in tax obligations, resulting in a surplus income of about $6,000. She has successfully set aside $10,000 in a high-yield savings account, which represents 3 months' worth of living expenses. Jessica has decided to hold off on buying a home for the time being and is continuing to rent instead. She is determined to attain financial independence by the age of 65. Her clearly defined objectives, encompassing retirement planning, professional growth, and disciplined saving, constitute the foundation of her long-term wealth accumulation strategy. Even though Jessica does not have a particularly high income, her focus and dedication allow her to consistently advance toward her financial goals. Number 2. Enhance your earnings gradually. Your income serves as one of the most significant tools for wealth accumulation. While saving and frugality are essential components, enhancing your income serves as a powerful multiplier. Increased earnings create greater potential for saving, investing, and advancing your financial objectives. Begin by assessing your existing salary package. Is your salary aligned with your skills, experience, and the contributions you make to your organization? Numerous professionals forfeit potential salary increases due to a lack of initiative in asking or being unaware of prevailing market standards. It's important to investigate salary standards within your field and approach negotiations with confidence. Furthermore, evaluate the opportunities for advancement in your professional journey. What are the potential avenues for advancement within the organization? Are you open to accepting more responsibilities or engaging in training to enhance your qualifications? Acquiring sought-after skills can significantly enhance your income potential in the long run. Jessica anticipates receiving an annual increase of 3.1% in her salary. By the time she reaches the age of 47, her income has the potential to grow to $100,000. By actively pursuing promotions and investigating additional income opportunities, such as freelance consulting or developing digital products, she has the potential to increase her annual growth rate to 5.1%, which could result in earnings exceeding $340,000 by the time she retires. Utilizing online calculators allows you to simulate how even modest income increases can significantly boost your long-term financial growth. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Number 3. Maintain a lifestyle that is sustainable. Regardless of your income level, accumulating wealth will be challenging if you allocate all your earnings to expenses. Maintaining a lifestyle that costs less than your income allows you to create a surplus, funds that can be allocated to savings, investments, and the pursuit of your financial objectives. Conventional budgeting emphasizes monitoring your past expenditures. One effective approach is to implement a zero-based budget or a value-based spending plan, ensuring that every dollar of income is allocated a specific purpose prior to the start of the month. This strategy guarantees that your values and objectives are in harmony. It's important to carefully review your spending patterns. Consider terminating any subscriptions that are no longer utilized, curtail discretionary spending, and remove any ongoing fees that may be unnecessary. It may be beneficial to embrace minimalist habits and focus on valuing experiences rather than accumulating material possessions. High-interest debt, particularly from credit cards, must be addressed as a priority. Focus on paying these off with determination, utilizing strategies such as the debt snowball or avalanche approach. Jessica exemplifies excellence in her field. She has successfully eliminated her debt and maintains a disciplined approach to her spending habits. Instead of allowing her expenses to rise with each salary increase, she maintains a disciplined approach by adhering to a modest budget. This approach allows her to make consistent investments and strategize for the future with assurance and adaptability. Number 4. Establish an emergency fund and engage in regular investment practices. Unforeseen costs are a certainty, be it due to a health crisis, vehicle maintenance, or an unexpected job termination. An emergency fund serves as a crucial safety net, ensuring that your investment strategy remains intact even in challenging circumstances. Begin by setting aside a minimum of 1 month's worth of living expenses in a savings account that is easily accessible. Strive to develop this to a range of 3 to 6 months over time. Jessica has successfully built up $10,000 in savings, which represents 3 months' worth of her expenses. This enables her to maintain composure amid unpredictability and persist in her investment strategy despite life's challenges. Now that you have established your emergency fund, it's time to concentrate on your investment strategy. Utilize employer-sponsored retirement plans, especially when a company match is available. It's an opportunity to secure additional funds at no extra cost to you. If you find yourself self-employed or if your employer does not provide a retirement plan, it may be beneficial to explore options such as IRA or Roth IRA. Maintaining a steady approach is more crucial than trying to predict market fluctuations. Consistently allocate a predetermined sum each month, irrespective of market fluctuations. Jessica allocates $6,000 each year to her IRA, strategically diversifying her investments in index funds that align with her long-term objectives. As her earnings increase, her contributions will also expand. Jessica is positioned to retire with over $1 million, thanks to an average return of 7.1% compounded annually, even without reaching a six-figure income. Number 5. Implement automation, maintain discipline, and remain committed to your plan. Maintaining consistency and exercising discipline are essential foundations for achieving financial success. Life will undoubtedly bring challenges, career transitions, health concerns, economic fluctuations, but maintaining dedication during both favorable and unfavorable times is what distinguishes successful investors from others. One effective strategy to maintain consistency is through the automation of your financial processes. Establish automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts on your payday to ensure consistent growth and financial stability. This minimizes the urge to overspend and ensures that your financial objectives remain at the forefront. It's important to maintain an objective perspective regarding short-term market movements. While markets experience fluctuations, historical patterns indicate that long-term trajectories tend to support growth. It's important to remain calm during market downturns and adhere to your established strategy. Jessica prioritizes her financial health by automating her savings and investment contributions, effectively ensuring she pays herself first. Even during periods of economic volatility, she stays dedicated to her approach. She recognizes that accumulating wealth requires a long-term perspective and that consistent, incremental efforts can lead to substantial outcomes over time. Number 6. Gain a comprehensive understanding of taxes and optimize the use of tax-advantaged accounts. Tax efficiency is a crucial yet frequently underestimated aspect of wealth accumulation. Grasping the influence of taxes on your income, savings, and investments is essential for maximizing your earnings. Begin by understanding your tax bracket and how contributions to retirement accounts made before taxes can lower your taxable income. Investment vehicles such as traditional 401k, IRA, and HSA provide the opportunity for your assets to appreciate without immediate tax implications. Roth accounts provide the advantage of tax-free withdrawals during retirement. Make sure to contribute enough to your 401k to take full advantage of any matching contributions. This strategy provides an instant return on your investment. If you qualify for a HSA, consider utilizing it for eligible medical expenses to take advantage of the threefold tax benefits it offers. Jessica is actively contributing to a traditional IRA, which effectively reduces her taxable income while simultaneously allowing her savings to grow over time. As her salary grows, she may explore the option of contributing to a Roth IRA or a 401k if it becomes accessible. By strategically leveraging these accounts, she enhances her savings potential while effectively reducing her tax burden. Number 7. Commit to ongoing education. Understanding financial concepts enables you to make more informed choices. As you expand your knowledge, you enhance your ability to manage intricate financial scenarios and steer clear of frequent mistakes. There is a wealth of resources at your disposal: books, podcasts, blogs, and YouTube channels, many of which come at no cost. Concentrate on areas such as the power of compound interest, investment strategies, insurance options, and the psychology behind financial decision-making. Committing just an hour each week to education can greatly enhance your financial confidence. Jessica prioritizes continuous learning as a fundamental part of her daily schedule. She engages with literature, YouTube videos, tunes into finance podcasts while commuting, and utilizes budgeting apps to monitor her financial progress. Her dedication to acquiring knowledge guarantees that she makes well-informed decisions and adjusts as her financial circumstances change. Number 8. Safeguard your wealth and prepare for the unforeseen. Building wealth involves not only the growth of your assets, but also ensuring their protection. Having a solid strategy for insurance and estate planning is crucial to safeguarding your financial stability against unexpected circumstances. Begin by securing fundamental insurance policies: health, auto, and either renters or homeowners insurance. If you have dependents who depend on your earnings, consider securing term life insurance. As your wealth increases, it may be prudent to explore options such as umbrella liability insurance or long-term disability insurance. Planning for your estate is essential. Establish a straightforward will, designate healthcare and financial powers of attorney, and ensure your beneficiaries are informed of any updates. Implementing these steps ensures that your loved ones have a clear plan and financial security should any unforeseen circumstances arise. Jessica has secured comprehensive coverage and has taken the proactive step of creating a will and healthcare directive, even at a young and single stage in her life. These actions reflect a sophisticated grasp of fiscal responsibility and strategic foresight. Number 9. Consistently evaluate and modify your strategy. Your financial strategy must adapt as your circumstances shift. Changes in your career, the addition of new family members, moving to a different location, or fluctuations in the economy can all have significant effects on your financial situation. Consistent evaluations ensure you remain focused on your objectives and can adjust to changing situations. At least once a year, take the time to review your budget, investment portfolio, insurance coverage, and financial objectives. Are you setting aside sufficient funds for your future? Are your investments in need of rebalancing? Have your priorities remained consistent? Jessica performs a comprehensive evaluation each January. She assesses her retirement forecasts, revises her emergency savings goals, and modifies her contribution amounts. These consistent evaluations help her maintain her course and prevent any unexpected developments. Now, Jessica was just an illustration, but you could be won by following these tips. And for now, you must also assess your financial condition, whether you are in lower, middle, or upper class, by watching the video appearing on the right side. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more financial tips and to help us complete our goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers.